I'm about to show you one of the most insanely easy side hustles you can start as a complete beginner. You'll be able to set yourself up today following along with this tutorial and make your first commission within 30 days. In this video, you're going to learn how to create content optimized for Google search using keywords people are actively searching for that just so happens to include your affiliate links. What this means is when someone clicks on your content and uses your special link or code to make a purchase, you get a percentage of that sale. In short, it's affiliate marketing where the main source of traffic comes from the Google search engine. Believe it or not, but 59% of shoppers currently use Google to research a product before they make a purchase. So if your content has the answers that they're looking for and also gives them easy access to making the purchase, then you have a high chance of making that commission. This is great for beginners because you don't need an existing audience to make money with this affiliate marketing strategy. First things first, we need to pick a niche. Now, it can't just be any niche, it has to be super specific. The reason for this is because we're essentially going up against some of the biggest companies and media outlets out there that of course already have a huge budget to help them rank on the first page of Google. So in order to reduce the competition, we need to target a very small and specific group of people. One niche that I found works amazingly all year round is gift ideas for a very specific type of person. So for example, gifts for content creators, or even more specifically, gifts for bloggers, gifts for YouTubers, even gifts for freelancers. You get the gist. To make it even more targeted and niche down even further, what I like to do is focus on upcoming holidays. So think Valentine's Day, Easter's, Mother's Days, Christmas, stuff like that. Some ideas that I've used before are Valentine's gifts for content creators, Easter baskets for tech nerds, and Christmas stocking stuffers for gamers. ChatGPT is going to be one of your best friends when it comes to this method because ideally you want to use it to brainstorm some ideas. The prompt that I use, which I'll also leave down in the pinned comment, is what are some unique gift ideas for upcoming holiday? Focus on specific niches like, for example, content creators or other targeted groups of people with very specific interests or hobbies. And as you can see, it's come up with Valentine's Day gifts for vloggers, so you can get them ring lights, aesthetic props, gifts for TikTok influencers, so tripods, lighting kits. Now you can go ahead and pick any one of these or even ask ChatGPT to give you some more ideas to choose from. But once you've picked your super specific niche, you can move into the next step, which is joining affiliate programs. Now these programs will give you your custom links that will allow you to get paid every time someone makes a purchase. I recommend you sign up for Impact Radius, Etsy affiliate program, and also the Amazon partner program. These are the basic programs that you want to sign up for, but based off the ideas that ChatGPT gave you, you want to go ahead and type that into Google so you can find more specific affiliate programs. So for example, if the niche that you've chosen is Valentine's Day gifts for tech nerds, you want to look for affiliate programs in the tech space. So all you need to do is head over to Google and type in technology affiliate programs, and you'll find a whole bunch of programs that you can sign up for that will give you even higher percentages than Amazon. You want to ideally sign up for 3 to 5 affiliate programs so you have more than enough to choose from. Now, as a complete beginner, I personally recommend Hostinger because it's one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly platforms out there. They make it easy to have an entire website up and running with no coding at all. The reason for this is because they have a built-in AI website builder that will generate you an entire functional website based off your niche using only a couple of sentences. On top of that, if you opt for the business plan, you can get a custom domain for 100% free. Right now, all of their plans are 85% off, so if you want to access this deal, it's the first link down in my description. You'll also be able to get an extra 10% off using my code Glowithgia. Once you've signed up, this is how your backend should look, so you can go ahead and claim your free domain. The great thing about Hostinger, as I said, is that they have built-in AI tools that will help you out with this entire process. So even for something as simple as your domain name, if you're not sure what to call your website, you can go ahead and use their AI tool. And from here, you'll be able to use their AI website builder where you can go ahead and tell them exactly what type of website you're looking for. I'll go ahead and leave this exact prompt in the pinned comment as well, so you can go ahead and reuse it. And now, as you can see, it's generated me an entire website in literally just a few minutes. Now you can use this website exactly as is, or you can go in and tweak it the way that you want it. As I said, it's very simple as a complete beginner, so don't feel overwhelmed. Something I like to use is their AI image generator. So once again, you can type in any type of prompt of what kind of image you would want, and it will fully generate you an image that you can use that is copyright free. I personally recommend that you spend 5 to 10 minutes just tweaking everything and making sure that it looks exactly how you want it. And from here, you're ready to create your monetizable content. Now, essentially what you want to do is head over here and create a blog. And the most important thing about this blog is that you make it as valuable as possible. Now, as I said multiple times, Hostinger has literally everything that you'll need to succeed with this. So what you want to do is use their AI tools to generate you custom blogs. You're going to ask AI to generate you a blog article that is SEO optimized, packed with value that recommends the top 10 best gifts in the niche that you've chosen. So me, for example, I've chosen Valentine's Day gifts for vloggers. And as you can see, once again, it's generated me an entire article that recommends some of the best products. From here, what you'll do is head over to your affiliate programs where you'll find that exact product, get you a custom affiliate link for it, and then hyperlink it back into the blog. In order to hyperlink it, you're just going to go ahead and select the text, click on the little hyperlink icon, and then paste your affiliate link. Now, as you can see, it's underlined it, and that means that anytime someone clicks on this word, my affiliate link will open up with the product page. Something else you can do to make your blog more visually appealing is actually add in some pictures. So you can go ahead and add pictures of the products themselves, or you can use stock images that are also non-copyright. And from here, you have your first article ready to be published. Now, if you really want to see success with this method, I personally recommend that you post 5 to 7 blogs per week. This isn't a lot of blogs if you think about it, because AI is writing most of them out for you. You just want to make sure that they're full of value, answering questions that people may have, and that you put your affiliate links in all the right places. And that concludes the method. As I always say, it's going to take some time and consistency for you to see some real results. But if you stick with it, not only will you build valuable skills, you'll also be able to make money at the same time. Now, if you find this video helpful, drop me a like. If you have any questions at all, drop them down in the comments and I'll be sure to respond. Best of luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.